The future is here, and it's more incredible than we ever imagined. Welcome back to Top Rack Facts, where today, we're diving into the top tech trends of 2025 that are set to revolutionize our world. From AI advancements to cutting-edge gadgets, get ready to explore the innovations that are shaping our tomorrow. I'm your guide on this journey into the future. So, let's jump right in. Number 1, AI advancements, the rise of superintelligent systems. Artificial intelligence is evolving at a breakneck pace. In 2025, AI systems are not just tools but collaborators, enhancing our capabilities in every field. Imagine an AI assistant that can predict your needs, from recommending the perfect meal to diagnosing health issues before symptoms appear. AI's impact on healthcare is particularly groundbreaking, with systems capable of analyzing vast amounts of medical data to provide accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. AI algorithms can predict disease outbreaks, assist in complex surgeries, and even manage chronic conditions through continuous monitoring and tailored interventions. In education, AI tutors adapt to each student's learning style, ensuring no one is left behind. These AI-powered platforms provide personalized learning experiences, offering real-time feedback and customized lesson plans that cater to individual strengths and weaknesses. This means a more engaging and effective education for everyone. In finance, AI systems are transforming how we manage money. From personalized financial advice to detecting fraudulent transactions, AI's ability to analyze data quickly and accurately is revolutionizing the industry. AI-driven investment platforms are optimizing portfolios based on real-time market analysis, helping individuals and businesses make smarter financial decisions. In everyday life, AI assistants are becoming more intuitive, understanding our habits and preferences to offer tailored recommendations. Whether it's planning your day, managing your home, or enhancing your shopping experience, AI is seamlessly integrating into our daily routines, making life more efficient and enjoyable. These AI systems aren't just smart, they're intuitive, understanding our needs and responding in ways that make our lives easier and more efficient. Number 2, robotics, beyond human capabilities. Robots are no longer confined to factories. In 2025, they are our helpers, caregivers, and even companions. With advancements in dexterity and AI integration, robots can perform complex surgeries with precision, assist the elderly with daily activities, and handle household chores effortlessly. In manufacturing, robots work alongside humans, increasing productivity and ensuring safety. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and AI, enabling them to navigate environments and make decisions in real time. From robotic exoskeletons that enhance human strength to personal assistants that manage daily tasks, robotics is revolutionizing the way we live and work. The integration of robots into our daily lives is not just a technological leap, it's a transformation that promises to enhance our productivity and quality of life. Number 3, quantum computing, unleashing unimaginable power. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize industries by solving problems that were previously unsolvable. In 2025, these machines harness the power of quantum mechanics to perform computations at speeds unimaginable with classical computers. Quantum computers excel in tasks like cryptography, material science, and complex simulations. They can analyze vast datasets quickly, making breakthroughs in fields like pharmaceuticals and climate modeling. Imagine developing new drugs in weeks instead of years, or accurately predicting weather patterns and climate changes. Quantum computing is not just an upgrade, it's a leap into a new era of computational possibilities. Quantum computers are opening doors to new possibilities, enabling us to tackle challenges that were once beyond our reach. This technology is set to change the world as we know it. Number 4, wearable tech, integration with the human body. Wearable technology is merging with our daily lives, offering seamless integration with our bodies. In 2025, smart glasses provide augmented reality experiences, overlaying digital information onto the real world. Health monitors continuously track vital signs, alerting users to potential health issues before they become serious. Augmented reality headsets transform how we interact with the digital world, enhancing everything from gaming to professional tasks. These devices are designed to be unobtrusive yet powerful, providing real-time insights and immersive experiences. The future of wearables is about enhancing human capabilities and improving our overall well-being. These wearable devices are more than accessories, they're extensions of ourselves, offering insights and capabilities that were once the realm of science fiction. Number 5, Smart Homes, Automation and Sustainability. Smart homes are becoming smarter and more sustainable. In 2025, home automation systems manage everything from energy consumption to security. Smart thermostats learn your preferences, optimizing energy use and reducing costs. Advanced security systems provide real-time monitoring and alerts, ensuring safety. Sustainable technologies, like solar panels and energy storage systems, reduce our carbon footprint and make homes more eco-friendly. Imagine a home that adapts to your lifestyle, optimizing lighting, heating, and appliances to match your daily routine. These innovations make our homes not only more comfortable but also more efficient and sustainable. The future of living is here, with smart homes that are efficient, connected, and green. This technology is transforming our living spaces into intelligent environments that cater to our needs. Number 6, 5G and beyond, hyperconnectivity. The rollout of 5G technology has paved the way for hyperconnectivity. In 2025, we're moving beyond 5G, enabling faster communication, real-time data transfer, and seamless operation of the Internet of Things, IoT. Hyperconnectivity means instant access to information, smarter cities, and enhanced digital experiences. Autonomous vehicles communicate with each other and traffic systems in real time, improving safety and efficiency. Smart cities leverage this connectivity to optimize energy use, manage traffic, and provide services more effectively. With hyperconnectivity, our world is more interconnected than ever, enhancing both our personal and professional lives. With hyperconnectivity, the digital world is at our fingertips, providing seamless experiences and transforming the way we interact with technology and each other. Number 7, Flying cars and autonomous vehicles, redefining transportation. Transportation is undergoing a revolution. In 2025, flying cars and autonomous vehicles are no longer science fiction. These innovations promise to reduce traffic congestion, improve safety, and make commuting more efficient. Autonomous vehicles navigate through traffic with ease, using advanced AI and sensors to make split-second decisions. They are equipped with LiDAR, radar, and high-definition cameras to create a detailed map of their surroundings, allowing them to react to unexpected obstacles and changing traffic conditions. Flying cars offer a new dimension of travel, bypassing congested roads and providing quick, direct routes. These vehicles are designed with vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capabilities, making them ideal for urban environments. Imagine commuting to work in a fraction of the time, soaring above the gridlock below. These flying cars are not just for personal use, they have the potential to revolutionize emergency services, allowing for rapid response in situations where every second counts. The infrastructure for these technologies is also evolving. Smart roads and highways equipped with sensors and communication networks enable autonomous vehicles to interact with their environment and other vehicles, optimizing traffic flow and reducing the likelihood of accidents. Urban air mobility solutions are being developed to integrate flying cars into cityscapes, with designated air lanes and landing pads. Public transportation is also getting a high-tech makeover. Autonomous buses and shuttles are providing efficient, on-demand transportation services, reducing the need for personal vehicle ownership and contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. These advancements are set to redefine urban mobility, making transportation faster, safer, and more convenient. From AI to flying cars, the tech of 2025 is set to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. These innovations are not just changing how we live, they're changing who we are. Stay tuned to Top Rack Facts for more insights into the future and beyond. If you enjoyed this look into the future, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And remember, the future is just around the corner. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.